Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about silk. What is silk? Silk is a natural protein fiber. Some forms of protein which can be woven into textiles. The protein fiber of silk is composed mainly of fibroin and is produced by certain insect larvae to form cocoons. Other types of arthropods produce silk, most notably various arachnids such as spiders. Life cycle of silk moth. First, a moth lays eggs, then eggs hatch, giving silkworms and larvae. Silkworms eat mulberry leaves and grow in size. During this phase, they shed their skin 4 times. Shedding of skin is called molting. Silkworms begin spinning their cocoons. Then, silkworms collect cocoons. Filaments are obtained from cocoons by the process called reeling or filature. Silk fibers are then spun into silk threads. Life history of silk moth. The female silk moth lays 100 to 300 eggs from which hatch larvae and are called as silkworms or caterpillars. After laying eggs, the silk moth may die. After laying the eggs, the silk moths will hatch and eat mulberry leaves for 20 to 30 days. They grow in size, and when the caterpillar is ready to enter the next stage of its life, that stage is called pupa. It makes a net to hold itself, then it swings its head side to side to form the figure of the number 8. Then the caterpillar secretes fiber made with protein, which hardens to air and becomes silk fiber. The silk fibers are used for weaving silk clothes. Types of silk. There are mainly 4 types of silk which are produced around the world. They are mulberry silk, eri silk, tassar silk, and muga silk. Mulberry silk contributes around as much as 90% of silk production, with the mulberry silkworm generally being regarded as the most important. Natural silk. Mulberry silk. Mulberry silk is an example of natural silk. Artificial silk. Artificial silk or art silk is any synthetic fiber which resembles silk but typically costs less to produce. Frequently, artificial silk is just a synonym for rayon. When made out of bamboo vicose, it also sometimes called bamboo silk. Artificial silk is an example for artificial silk is a bamboo silk. Cocoon to silk. Hot water makes the silk fibers of cocoons to separate out. The long silk fibers are obtained by unwinding the threads from cocoons. The process of taking out silk fibers from the cocoons for use as silk is called reeling. Reeling is done in special machines which unwind the fibers of silk from cocoons. Thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.